Hello student, myself Desle Sheetal. In the last lecture we discussed about the polarity of carbonyl group. Second is the reactivity of aldehydes and ketones. In this point, first we see the influence of electronic effect, second steric effect, chemical properties of aldehydes and ketones, in which the test for only aldehydes. First is the Ship's test, second is Tolan test for silver mirror test, third is the Fehling test, and then see the chemical reaction of aldehydes and ketones with nucleophile. In this, the first is addition of hydrogen cyanide, second is the addition of sodium bisulfite, third is addition of alcohol, fourth is addition of Grignard reagent, fifth is the nucleophilic addition elimination of aldehydes and ketones with ammonia, and last we see about the haloform reaction. The next chemical reaction of aldehydes and ketone, which is the aldol condensation reaction. The aldehydes containing at least one alpha hydrogen atom undergo a reaction in presence of dilute alkali, which are dilute NaOH, KOH or Na2CO3 as a catalyst to form beta hydroxyaldehydes, which are known as aldol. This reaction is known as aldol reaction. The formation of aldol is an addition reaction in which the aldol form aldehyde having alpha hydrogen undergoes subsequent elimination of water molecule on warming, giving rise to alpha beta unsaturated aldehydes. For example, the two molecules of ethanol in presence of dilute NaOH, which gives the 3-hydroxybutanol. The overall reaction is called as a aldol condensation reaction. It is a nucleophilic addition elimination reaction. In this reaction, the last yield of the reaction, which is the alpha beta unsaturated aldehydes. But for ketones containing at least 2 alpha hydrogen also undergo aldol condensation reaction and give an alpha beta unsaturated ketone. For example, which is the acetone or propanone in presence of BaOH twice gives 4-hydroxy 4-methyl 2-pentanone or ketol, and last yield of the reaction, which is 4-methyl 3-pentene, which is the aldol condensation product. The next reaction is the cross aldol condensation reaction. In the cross aldol condensation reaction, which refers to the aldol condensation that takes place in between two different aldehydes or ketones. If both aldehydes or ketones contain 2 alpha hydrogen atoms each, then a mixture of 4 products is formed. In this, the such reaction usually give a mixture of multiple condensation product because there are 2 or more possible enolate nucleophiles are formed and 2 different carbonyl electrophiles are formed. For example, a mixture of ethanol and propanol on reaction with dilute alkali followed by heating, which gives a mixture of 4 products. The ketones can also be used as a one of the component in cross aldol condensation reaction. In this, the NaOH catalyst is used on heating, which gives the formation of two ethanol molecules and formation of two propanol molecules, which are the self aldol compounds, and last yield, which is the 2-methyl 2-butanol and 2-pentanol molecules. The next reaction is the Cannizzaro reaction. This reaction is given by aldehydes having no alpha hydrogen atom. The aldehydes undergo self-oxidation and reduction reaction on heating with concentrated alkali. This is an example of disproportionation reaction. In Cannizzaro reaction, one molecule of an aldehyde is reduced to alcohol, and at the same time second molecule is oxidized to carboxylic acid salt, for example formaldehyde and benzaldehyde. Formaldehyde, it is heated with sodium hydroxide, which is 50%, which gives sodium formate plus methanol. The next reaction is the cross Cannizzaro reaction. When a mixture of formaldehyde and non-inositol aldehydes, which are aldehyde with no alpha hydrogen, is treated with a strong base, formaldehyde is oxidized to formic acid, while the other non-inositol is reduced to alcohol. The formic acid forms sodium formate with NaOH. On acidification of sodium formate is converted into formic acid. For example, formaldehyde plus benzaldehyde in presence of concentrated NaOH, which gives the phenyl methanol plus formic acid. The next reaction is oxidation of aldehydes and ketones by dilute HNO3, KMnO4 and K2Cr2O7. The aldehydes are oxidized to the corresponding carboxylic acid by oxidants such as dilute nitric acid, potassium permanganate and sodium or potassium dichromate in acidic medium. The ketones resist oxidation due to strong CO-C bond, but they are oxidized by strong oxidizing agent such as CrO3, alkaline KMnO4 or hot concentrated nitric acid to a mixture of carboxylic acid having less number of carbon atoms than the starting ketone. Thus, the oxidation of ketones is accompanied by breaking of carbon-carbon single bond. The ketone in presence of CrO3, which gives carboxylic acid. For example, acetone in presence of CrO3 gives acetic acid. 2-butanone in presence of CrO3, which gives ethanoic acid plus propanoic acid. The next reaction is Clemmensen reduction reaction. The carbonyl group of aldehydes and ketones is reduced to methylene group, which is CH2 group, on treatment with zinc amalgam and concentrated hydrochloric acid or hydrazine, followed by heating with sodium or potassium hydroxide in high boiling solvent like ethylene glycol. Next reaction is the Wolff-Kishner reduction reaction. This reaction is used to synthesize straight-chain alkyl substituted benzenes, which is not possible by Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. For example, the carbonyl group in aldehydes and ketones, which gives hydrazone, and last the methylene group. The propanol in presence of NH2NH2, which gives hydrazone, and last tail of the reaction is propane. Also second example, which ethylphenyl ketone in presence of NH2NH2, which gives hydrazone, and last tail of the reaction is N-propyl benzene. Next reaction is the electrophilic substitution reactions. The aromatic aldehydes and ketones undergo electrophilic substitution reaction such as nitration, sulfonation, and halogenation reaction. The aldehydic and ketonic group are electron withdrawing by inductive as well as resonance effect. For example, the benzaldehyde plus concentrated HNO3 in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, which gives meta-nitrobenzaldehyde, and in ketonic groups which are electron withdrawing by inductive as well as resonance effect, the deactivate the benzene ring at ortho and para positions, the result in the formation of meta product. In this electron withdrawing resonance effect is observed in substituted benzene having the general structure where Z is for electronegative than Y. The same resonance structure can be drawn for benzaldehyde because three of them place a positive charge on a carbon atom of the benzene ring, and CHO group is withdraw electron from the benzene ring by resonance effect. The next point is the acidic character of carboxylic acid. The carboxyl group imparts acidic character to carboxylic acid. A carboxyl group is made of OH group bonded to a carbonyl group. In aqueous solution, the hydrogen atom in OH of carboxyl group dissociates as proton and carboxylate ion in the form as the conjugate base. The carboxylate ion is resonance stabilized by two equivalent resonance structure, which are the carboxylate ion has two resonance structure and both of them are equivalent to each other. This gives good resonance stabilization to carboxylate ion, which in turn gives acidic character to carboxylic acid.